The future in focus. Unveiling the top 6. Mirrorless cameras of 2025. Welcome, photography enthusiasts and storytellers. Are you ready to peer into the lens of tomorrow? The world of digital imaging is evolving at an exhilarating pace, with mirrorless technology leading the charge. Gone are the days of bulky DSLRs. Today, it's all about sleek design, lightning-fast performance, and image quality that borders on the unbelievable. In 2025, the competition is fiercer than ever, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of innovation. From AI-powered autofocus to cinematic video capabilities, these cameras aren't just tools, they're extensions of your creative vision. Join us as we count down the top 6 mirrorless cameras of 2025, revealing the powerhouses that are redefining what's possible in photography and filmmaking. Let's dive in. Number 6. Fujifilm XT5. The Fujifilm XT5 is a remarkable addition to the X series lineup, seamlessly combining advanced technology with a classic user-friendly design. After extensive hands-on testing and comparison with previous models, it's clear that the XT5 excels in both performance and versatility, making it a top choice for photographers and videographers alike. One of the standout features of the XT5 is its impressive 40-megapixel sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects, the XT5 captures vibrant colors and sharp images that truly stand out. The advanced autofocus system is fast and reliable, allowing for quick and accurate focusing even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's design is another highlight. The XT5 boasts a sleek, retro aesthetic that many users will find appealing. The tactile dials and controls make it easy to adjust settings on the fly, ensuring that you can capture the perfect shot without fumbling around. The lightweight body is perfect for travel and outdoor photography, and the improved battery life means you can shoot longer without worrying about running out of power. For video enthusiasts, the XT5 offers 4K recording capabilities at up to 60 FPS, with impressive stabilization that ensures smooth footage even while on the move. The range of film simulation modes allows for creative expression, making it easy to achieve the desired look right out of the camera. Number 5. Sony A7C, compact powerhouse. The Sony A7C impressively combines full-frame capabilities with a compact design, making it an ideal choice for travel and street photography. Weighing in at just 1.44 pounds, this camera is one of the most portable full-frame options on the market. It features a 24.2 full-platter sensor, delivering stunning image quality and exceptional low-light performance. One of the standout features of the A7C is its impressive autofocus system, boasting 693 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points. This ensures fast and accurate focusing, perfect for capturing fleeting moments. Additionally, the camera's 4K video recording capabilities, along with advanced video features such as S-Log3 and HLG profiles, make it a favorite among content creators. The A7C's user-friendly interface and fully articulating touchscreen provide flexibility in shooting angles, making it easy to capture creative shots. Overall, the Sony A7C is a fantastic option for those who prioritize portability without compromising on performance. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Digital Camera. The Canon EOS R6 Digital Camera is a powerhouse that delivers exceptional performance for both photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. After extensive testing and exploration, it's clear that this camera surpasses expectations in various aspects, making it a top contender in the mirrorless camera category. First and foremost, the image quality produced by the R6 is nothing short of stunning. With a 20-megapixel full-frame sensor, it captures incredible detail and dynamic range, allowing for beautiful images even in challenging lighting conditions. The low-light performance is particularly impressive. The camera maintains clarity and minimizes noise, enabling you to shoot confidently in dim environments. The autofocus system is another standout feature. Equipped with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF-2 technology, the R6 boasts fast and accurate autofocus with 1053 AF points. This ensures that you can track moving subjects with ease, whether you're capturing wildlife in action or shooting a fast-paced sports event. The eye detection feature is a game-changer, making portrait photography effortless and ensuring that your subjects are always in sharp focus. For videographers, the R6 offers 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS, along with advanced video features, like Canon Log and HDR PQ. This allows for greater flexibility in post-production and ensures that your videos have a professional quality. The camera's in-body image stabilization further enhances video smoothness, making handheld shooting a viable option. Number 3. Nikon Z5. The Nikon Z5 is an impressive entry into the world of full-frame mirrorless cameras, blending advanced features with user-friendly functionality. As a photographer who values both performance and versatility, I found the Z5 to be a remarkable tool for capturing stunning images in various settings. One of the standout features of the Z5 is its 24.3 MP full frame sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality with rich detail and vibrant colors. Whether shooting landscapes or portraits, the dynamic range is impressive, allowing for beautiful highlights and shadows. Coupled with the X-Speed 6 image processor, the Z5 handles low-light situations remarkably well, producing images that maintain clarity and minimal noise even at higher ISO settings. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, is another highlight, providing up to 5 stops of compensation. This feature is invaluable for handheld shooting, especially in challenging lighting conditions or when using longer focal lengths. My experience with the Z5 showed that it excels at maintaining sharpness, reducing the risk of blurry images due to camera shake. The autofocus system is fast and reliable, featuring 273 focus points that cover a large portion of the frame. Eye detection for both humans and animals is accurate, making it a great choice for portraits and wildlife photography. The performance in tracking moving subjects is commendable, ensuring that you won't miss those fleeting moments. The Z5's build quality is solid and weather-sealed, making it suitable for outdoor photography in various environmental conditions. Number 2. Sony ZV1. The Sony ZV1 is a game-changer for content creators and vloggers seeking top-notch performance in a compact package. Drawing from extensive field testing and user feedback, it's clear that this camera is designed specifically with the needs of modern creators in mind. One of the standout features of the ZV1 is its impressive 12MP full-frame sensor, which delivers stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and exceptional low-light performance. This makes it a fantastic choice for shooting in various conditions, whether you're filming during the golden hour or in dimly lit environments. The video capabilities are equally remarkable, supporting 4K recording at up to 120 FPS, allowing for smooth cinematic footage that can elevate your content. The focus system is another highlight. With real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, the ZV1 ensures that your subjects are always sharp and in focus, even during dynamic shooting situations. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers who want to ensure they stay in the frame while moving. The camera's design is user-friendly, featuring a fully articulating touchscreen that makes it easy to frame your shots from any angle. The built-in microphone and windscreen are significant bonuses, providing high-quality audio right out of the box, which is essential for vlogging. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7R III. The Sony Alpha 7R III is a powerhouse in the world of mirrorless cameras, and after extensive testing, it's clear why this model has garnered a dedicated following among both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. With its impressive 42.4mm full-frame sensor, the Alpha 7R III delivers stunning image quality that captures intricate details, making it ideal for everything from landscape photography to portraiture. One of the standout features of this camera is its exceptional autofocus system. With 399 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, the autofocus is not only fast, but incredibly accurate, allowing you to capture sharp images even in challenging conditions. The eye autofocus feature is a game changer for portrait. Photographers ensuring that your subject's eyes are always in focus, even when they move. The Alpha 7R III also boasts impressive performance in low light situations. Thanks to its excellent ISO range and advanced image processing, you can shoot in dim conditions without worrying about excessive noise. This makes it a great choice for night photography or indoor events. Battery life is another highlight of the Alpha 7R III. The camera is equipped with a robust battery that lasts significantly longer than its predecessors, allowing you to shoot for extended periods without the need for constant recharging. This is particularly beneficial for outdoor shoots or when traveling. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7R III. The Sony Alpha 7R III is a powerhouse in the world of mirrorless cameras, and after extensive testing, it's clear why this model has garnered a dedicated following among both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. With its impressive 42.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, the Alpha 7R III delivers stunning image quality that captures intricate details, making it ideal for everything from landscape photography to portraiture. One of the standout features of this camera is its exceptional autofocus system. With 399 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, the autofocus is not only fast but incredibly accurate, allowing you to capture sharp images even in challenging conditions. The eye autofocus feature is a game changer for portrait. Photographers ensuring that your subject's eyes are always in focus, even when they move. The Alpha 7R III also boasts impressive performance in low light situations. Thanks to its excellent ISO range and advanced image processing, you can shoot in dim conditions without worrying about excessive noise. This makes it a great choice for night photography or indoor events. Battery life is another highlight of the Alpha 7R III. The camera is equipped with a robust battery that lasts significantly longer than its predecessors, allowing you to shoot for extended periods without the need for constant recharging. This is particularly beneficial for outdoor shoots or when traveling.